Hi, welcome to your sixth Java tutorial. So in this tutorial, we can see more on this hello.java or first.java application. Okay. See over here in the previous tutorial, I will change this name of this class to hello. Okay, can I rename this once again? So something like first. Okay. So after this, save this, and again I'm going to compile this one. Okay. So over here I'm going to compile this application. So Java C first.java. Okay, so when I compile this application at once, I will be created with one more dot class file with this name first. Okay, so the dot class file will be over here. Okay, I am going to remove this hello. Okay, so here in this what happens, so here I just need to execute this file using this first. Okay, which we have learned out in the previous tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial, what I need to do is, if I want to update more coding or more code to this application. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to put someone system.out.println statement once again. Okay, so here in this statement I am going to give something like simply I am going to put stars. Okay, so here I am saving this one. After saving this one, I am going to execute this application. Okay, so execute to execute this. If you are executing this application, what happens? It does not update it. Okay, means it does not show the second line of output. Okay, because we need to change this. Means after changing, we need to save this. Okay, after saving, we need to compile this one. Okay, to compile this one, go for Java C once again and the first dot Java. Okay, so after compilation, what happens? This previously created this .java file. Okay, so the dot class file will be updated automatically. Okay, so here can I show you one second? This one update. Okay, so here once it is compiled, what happens? It will be updated. Okay, so after updating this one, we need to run this application. Okay, so using Java space first. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the output of the application first.java. Okay, so in this one we had actually the code something like a system.out.println. Okay, so this indicates what actually the system is a class in Java. Okay, so out is a field. Okay, which refers to output screen. Okay, so println is a method. Okay, print means print. We can use, instead of println, we can use a print also. Okay, if you are going for print, what happened? We are not getting a new line. Okay, so I'm going to remove this println, this second statement println. Save this. After saving this one, I'm going to compile this application. Okay, compile it. For each changes, what you need to do is you need to save and you need to compile. Okay, compile it and execute it. Okay, see it's no effect is happening right now, so I'm going to remove this line also. Okay, so because so this is the right one. Okay, so after removing this one, what I need to do is I need to compile this again, execute this. Okay, the output will be in a single line. So that means what happens? Print elements, it's a print the output in the new line. That's it. Okay, so that is what actually the println. So print and println both are same, but println gives one new line. Print does not give new line. That's it. Okay, that's the difference. So system means it is a class. Okay, so over here, first of all, the Java technology, it is filled with a collection of classes and subclasses and as well as interfaces. Okay, and basically it is filled with packages. Okay, so each package will be having around some 10 to 20, so more than 20, 30, 40 classes. Okay, so each package will be having classes and interfaces. Okay, so here system is called as a class here. Okay, inbuilt class. Okay, so in one thing, so it is better to remember this one. Each inbuilt class start with caps letter. Okay, so that's why. So for user defined class also, it is better to give the capital letters. Okay, capital name that can start with the capital letter. Okay, so this is the one of the better way for creating the files, Java files. Okay, so if you are giving the small letters, then no problem. Okay, so it does not give any problem to you. If you are giving the capital letter, then it is one of the what actually good designing of Java applications. Okay, because inbuilt Java files, Java classes are having uppercase at the beginning, and you need to give uppercase for your user defined classes also. Okay, see here system means what actually. This is the class. Out dot is the operator which is used to access the fields or methods which are there in those classes. Okay, and system has one field that is called out, and using that out field we are accessing this println method, okay, to print this statement onto the output screen, okay, over here in this output screen. Okay, so it was printed right now over here. Okay, I am going to this clear the screen. So after this what happens, so here so we might be confusion we might be in the confusion over here system. Okay, so this system is a class which was there in java.lang package. Okay, so to use the classes, inbuilt classes, we must import those packages where those classes are present. Okay, means what happens if you want something like buffered reader class, what we need to do is we need to go for what actually java.io package. Okay, so if you need something package, some class, something like calendar class, okay, then we need to go for java.util package. Okay, so like this, so each classes will be so under some different packages. Okay, so many classes will be in a single package, but what happens if you are using any class, okay, so any inbuilt class, we need to import the package of that class. Okay, means what happens, that class will be under some package, and we need to import that package. Okay, so to import that package we need to give the code over here, import. Okay, but system in this program, what happens, system does not have any import statements. Okay, so right now I'm going to print the date. Okay, so I can show you the difference between this system and other classes. Okay, so right now I'm going to print the date. Okay, so here what I need to do is simply I can go for date class, d is equal to new date. Okay, so this is a simple class. Okay, so here I'm going for system dot out dot println d. I am printing d. Okay, save this. So after saving this one, I need to compile this one, java c first dot java space first. Okay, c. Okay, so here before execution, so I got error in the compilation. Okay, so once the error will be reported to you, what happens, you are not able to execute this application. Okay, this means this first.java is not updated right now. If you are executing still that first.java, it will shows the previous output itself. Okay, because this first.java is modified, but the modified code is run. What happens, so it was showing that date. Okay, so cannot find symbol date and cannot find a symbol date. What happens, of course this is true, because what happens, this date is a class which is present under java.util package. Okay, in that situation what we need to do is we need to go for import that package. Okay, I'm going to import java.util. Okay, that star you can go. Okay, this dot star indicates what actually, so import all the classes and interfaces which were there in the java.util package. Okay, so once we are importing this one, and save this and compile it. Okay, and it will successfully compile, no problem. Okay, after a successful compilation it will execute also first. Okay, so it was simply specifying the date. Okay, so here this is what actually the user for that package, so that means import statement. Okay, but the system does not require any package to be imported here. Okay, if you are not using this one, and I am going for a simple system class. Okay, system.out.println, simply I am going for hello. Okay, so I told you the system is an inbuilt class, but it does not need its package to be imported over here. Okay, why? Because what happens, system is a class which is present under, see, this is the output. Okay, so here what happens, system is a class which is present under java.lang package. Okay, java.lang is a package which will be automatically imported to all the classes, which is available for all the classes. Okay, so that's why the system class does not read the import statement for the import statement, something like import java.lang. Okay, if you specify, then no problem. Okay, you can specify this one, import java.lang. Star. Okay, so save this, then compare it. Okay, so it does not give any error to you, because this package is automatically imported by all the classes. So instead of that procedure, we are simply explicitly we are defining importing this package. Okay, so this is what actually the system class. Okay, so this is what actually the inbuilt classes. Okay, so in this way, in this program, what happens, we are using only inbuilt class, that is called as a system class. Okay, so here in this tutorial we can learn what is a system.out.println. okay, this is simply an output statement, and system is a class, out is a field, and println is a method. Okay, so this is how the classes are used in the Java applications. Okay, in the next tutorial we can discuss with more on these applications. Thanks for watching this tutorial.